Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload how to set name password lock in a Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to set your phone name password lock. So friends, how can you set today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting. So after on phone setting guys, we will scroll it guys. You will click on guys Tecno phone security setting guys security. Tap here friends, click on guys screen lock setting and friends click on this password. So friends, next option tap here and guys be careful guys, don't do any mistake because like there is no any option to check our pin. So be careful and guys enter your name password log which password guys you want to set. So I will set into my name. So I be careful guys, don't do any mistake guys. If you do mistake guys, you will have to reset your phone. So friends, you can see guys this password guys we will have, and then we will enter our password to unlock our phone guys. We will enter our password to unlock our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set name password lock. Bye guys.